Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple steps to change the language on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to switch to your native language or just want to try something new, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, you're ready for the next step. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains various options for customizing your browsing experience. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Chrome Settings page, where you can adjust various preferences, including language settings. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Advanced. Click on it to reveal more options. Now, look for the Languages option. This is where you can manage your language settings. In the Languages section, you will see a list of languages currently set in your Chrome browser. To add a new language, click on Add Languages. A list of available languages will appear. Simply find and select the language you want to use. After selecting it, click Add to include it in your list. Now that you've added your desired language, you need to make it your default language. To do this, find the newly added language in your list and click on the 3 dots next to it. Select Display Google Chrome in this language from the options provided. Finally, for these changes to take effect, you'll need to restart Google Chrome. Close all open Chrome windows and then reopen the browser. When you do, you'll notice that Chrome is now displayed in the language you selected. And there you have it. Changing the language on Google Chrome is a straightforward process that only takes a few minutes. If you ever want to switch back or try another language, just repeat these steps. Thank you for watching.